Mechanics across Europe are finally breaking their silence. They're warning customers about specific cars that are absolute nightmares to own. Cars where a single repair can cost more than the vehicle is worth. Cars that look affordable, premium, or modern on the surface, but hide mechanical designs so bad that workshops actively refuse to work on them. One of these cars requires the entire engine to be removed just to replace a timing chain. Another turns a simple sensor failure into a €4,800 bill. And several of them fail so often that mechanics can predict the repair before the car even enters the bay. These aren't unreliable cars, they're financial traps. Professional mechanics see patterns most buyers never notice. They know which models come back again and again, which repairs take weeks instead of hours, and which vehicles quietly drain owners dry long after the warranty ends. Using data from DEKRA, TÜV, ADAC, and European workshop reports, here are the cars mechanics are begging you to avoid. Number 17. Fiat 500X. On paper, the Fiat 500X looks harmless. Italian styling, compact SUV proportions, and an attractive starting price. In reality, it's one of the most despised vehicles in European workshops. The main offender is the 1.3 multi-jet diesel. Fiat claims the timing chain lasts up to 150,000 kilometers. Mechanics know better. In real-world use, chains stretch and fail around 60,000 kilometers. Replacing it requires full engine removal. Labor alone takes around 14 hours. Total cost? Over €3,000, on a car that often isn't worth much more than that. And it gets worse. The 1.4 multi-air petrol engine suffers extreme carbon buildup. Number 16. Nissan Juke. The Nissan Juke attracts buyers with bold styling and competitive pricing. Mechanics see something else entirely. The CVT transmission is the biggest problem. Across 2020 to 2023 models, failure rates before 50,000 kilometers are shockingly high. Shuddering, whining, overheating, and complete failure are common. Replacement costs exceed €4,000. Nissan also requires CVT fluid changes far more often than stated in the service manual. Miss one interval and warranties can be voided. Many owners don't realize this until it's too late. The 1.0 turbocharged engine brings another nightmare. Premature timing chain guide wear causes a cold start rattle, a warning sign mechanics describe as a countdown to failure. Once the noise appears, catastrophic damage often follows within a few thousand kilometers. Number 15. Citroen C4 Picasso/Space Tourer. This car was designed for families. Unfortunately, it behaves like a financial liability. Mechanics strongly warn against models from 2013 to 2018. The automated manual transmission, known as EGS, fails with alarming consistency. Clutch actuators burn out every 40,000 kilometers. Each replacement costs over €1,200. Number 14. Range Rover Evoque. Paying more does not mean fewer problems. The Evoque is infamous among mechanics. Some workshops even charge higher labor rates just for working on one. The Ingenium engines are catastrophically unreliable. Timing chain stretch leads to valve damage and full engine rebuilds before 80,000 kilometers. Repair costs often exceed €8,000. The automatic transmission adds more misery. Software updates fail to fix harsh shifting and sudden failures. Number 13. BMW X1. Buyers see a BMW badge and expect engineering excellence. Mechanics see a ticking time bomb. The F48 generation X1 is plagued by timing chain failures across all four-cylinder engines. Unlike properly designed chains that last 200,000 kilometers or more, BMW stretches catastrophically by 40,000. By the time owners hear the cold start rattle, damage is already done. Full repair with guides, tensioners, and labor runs around €3,400. BMW specialists see this constantly. One Munich mechanic admitted they receive 2 X1s per week for chain-related repairs alone. Number 12. Opel Crossland. This is everything wrong with modern budget SUVs. The Crossland's 1.2 PureTech engine uses a wet timing belt that disintegrates inside the oil system. Rubber debris clogs oil passages, destroys bearings, and kills engines without warning. By the time rough running appears, the damage is already catastrophic. Full engine rebuilds cost €4,000 on a car that started life at €22,000. Number 11. Mercedes-Benz A-Class W177. A Mercedes badge no longer guarantees Mercedes reliability. The 1.3-liter engine co-developed with Renault suffers head gasket failures as early as 30,000 kilometers. Coolant loss, white smoke, overheating, and a €3,800 repair bill. The dual-clutch transmission is worse. Clutch judder affects nearly half of all vehicles. Mechatronic unit failures strand drivers instantly. Mercedes' solution is full transmission replacement for over €5,000. Number 10. Volkswagen T-Roc. Volkswagen's reputation collapses here. The 1.5 TSI engine's cylinder deactivation system causes excessive oil consumption. 1 liter per 1,000 kilometers is considered normal by VW, even as piston rings score and cylinders wear prematurely. Engine replacements cost €6,500. The DSG transmission remains a disaster. Number 9. Ford Kuga plug-in hybrid. Hybrid complexity meets mechanical chaos. The battery cooling system fails regularly, overheating the pack and reducing power until total failure. Replacement batteries cost €12,000, more than many used cars. Ford issued recalls for fire risks, but underlying design flaws remain. The 2.5-liter Atkinson engine consumes oil aggressively due to undersized piston rings. Number 8. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Giulia is proof that beauty does not equal durability. On paper, it looks incredible. In real life, it lives in workshops. The 2.0-liter turbo engine suffers extreme carbon buildup due to direct injection. Intake valves clog as early as 20,000 kilometers. Power drops, misfires begin, and owners are told this is normal. Carbon cleaning costs around €800 and becomes routine maintenance. The ZF 8-speed automatic is excellent in BMWs. In the Giulia, calibration issues cause violent shifts and premature clutch wear. Number 7. Renault Captur. This car looks harmless. Mechanics know better. The 1.3 TCE engine, shared with Mercedes, combines the worst traits of both brands. Timing chains stretch by 35,000 kilometers. Turbochargers fail by 50,000. Oil consumption is constant. Renault workshops report Capturs filling entire service bays. The EDC dual-clutch transmission is even worse. Clutch slip begins early. Complete failure by 60,000 kilometers is common. Number 6. Peugeot 208. French mechanics openly joke about needing therapy after working on these. The 1.2 PureTech engine's wet timing belt disintegrates inside the oil system. Rubber particles destroy bearings, oil pumps, and valves. Belts snap without warning. Engine replacements cost €5,200. The EAT8 automatic transmission isn't better. Torque converter shutter affects most vehicles. Number 5. Jaguar E-Pace. This is modern Jaguar in one sentence. Beautiful, expensive, and mechanically tragic. Ingenium engines suffer timing chain failures as early as 25,000 kilometers. The chain sits at the back of the engine, meaning full engine removal. Labor alone exceeds €2,000. Total repairs range from €4,500 to €8,000. The ZF transmission can't handle the vehicle's weight. Gear hunting, harsh shifts, and sudden failures are common. Number 4. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is what happens when rugged branding meets fragile engineering. European buyers see the badge and expect durability. Mechanics see one arrive and already know how the story ends. The 1.3 Firefly turbo engine consumes oil at shocking rates, up to 2 liters per 1,000 kilometers. The variable valve timing system fails around 45,000 kilometers, shedding metal into the oil system and destroying the engine. Replacement cost: €7,200. The automatic transmission is infamous. Violent shifting, constant shuddering, and sudden failure without warning. Software updates cost €400 and fix nothing. Number 3. Nissan Qashqai, latest generation. Newer does not mean better. And the newest Qashqai proves it. The 1.3D IGT mild hybrid system is overcomplicated nonsense. The belt-driven starter generator fails around 20,000 kilometers. Replacement costs 1,800 euros. The 12-volt battery constantly dies because the system doesn't charge it properly. Mechanics report brand new cars arriving on tow trucks, but the real disaster is the e-Power version. The 1.5-liter generator engine runs at maximum stress non-stop. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz GLA, current generation. This car achieves something special: premium pricing with budget reliability. The M282 1.3-liter engine shared with Renault is catastrophic. Coolant leaks into cylinders, causing hydrolock and instant engine destruction. Timing chains stretch before 30,000 kilometers. Repair bills start at 5,000 euros, minimum. The 8G DCT dual-clutch transmission judders from day one. Clutches overheat in traffic. Mechatronic units fail repeatedly. Replacement cost: 4,800 euros. Mercedes knows the transmission is defective. They refuse to recall it. MBUX failures are everywhere. Number 1. Range Rover Velar. This is the car mechanics across Europe are literally begging you not to buy. The Range Rover Velar isn't just unreliable, it's mechanical suicide. Let's start with the Ingenium engines. Petrol or diesel, it doesn't matter. Timing chain failures occur as early as 20,000 kilometers. And here's the insane part. The timing chain is located at the back of the engine. That means full engine removal. Labor alone exceeds 25 hours. Total repair cost starts at 9,000 euros. If valves are damaged, you're looking at a complete engine replacement for 15,000 euros. Now, the transmission. The ZF 9-speed automatic cannot handle the Velar's weight or torque. Gear hunting, violent shifts, and sudden failures are common. These 17 cars represent everything wrong with modern automotive engineering. Complexity without reliability, premium pricing without premium quality. According to DEKRA's 2024 study, these models account for 31% of major mechanical failures while representing just 8% of vehicles tested. Avoiding them isn't being cautious. It's financial survival.